Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum Classic, we are trading at $22.77, 24-hour volume. We're up 46%, and market cap, we are down 5%. All right, so heading over to our daily chart here, you guys, we can see that our parabolic SAR indicator, which are these dots here, normally found at the very bottom, gives us a buying signal. However, we do see so far, we do have a dot at the very top which does represent a selling opportunity here. Now, there's a few things that we could put together with our parabolic SAR. So, one of the things here is the RSI. It has triggered from yesterday's candle into today's candle a selling opportunity here. We've reached as high as the 53% of our RSI at October 29th. So, that does say a lot of Ethereum Classic. Normally, we see that sell off normally around 70 to 80%, but we saw that here at the 53 and actually triggered a selling at 45. So, pretty low here for Ethereum Classic. Another indicator we can pair off here is the momentum indicator for our MACD indicator. Here, it shows the peak, and now we are going down into lower bars, lower histograms, and lighter in the color. So the trend itself for this quote unquote bull run may actually be ending. And if we do cross over, it's going to initiate a huge sell off that we've already seen in the last couple of days here. Now, this is going to be a high area of confluence, a high area of interest. Not only that it is going to trigger us as a oversold because it's at the very bottom of our Bollinger Band, it is near our 50% indicator for our fib retracement. But if I do scroll out here, it was a good area of support back in May. So we're taking the same numbers from May and hopefully retesting that area of support. If we're able to get a really nice bounce here, then the momentum of the MACD indicator may gradually go into the second wave trend of the green indicator. If the price does come down to this area of $21.36 and it switches from the green over to the red, then it is only going to push the price passing this area of support and coming down to our next fib, which is $19.51. So huge, huge impact. Going into our 4-hour time frame here, again, we've seen that huge selling feature. We've seen price consolidate sideways, ultimately breaking down in a downtrend. The Bollinger Bands are expanding, meaning higher volatility. Be prepared for Ethereum Classic to move fairly quickly here. And the trend itself does look like we are going into a second wave here for a selling feature. So if we do see again these bigger histograms, it is only going to jeopardize the price and bring the price down. Now, notice that the actual body is normally at the very bottom here. We could almost see this as an inverted hammer candlestick. If the range of the wick at the very top was slightly a little bit bigger, then it would resemble strongly of a inverted hammer candlestick. And the next candle, we need confirmation at least 50% of this price of the body at 23%. So if we do have another green candle here, then we may be able to come up and retest the 20 moving average for a trend reversal. Again, with this line here, we can see some areas of support here back on October 19th. Around this area of the $22.15. We are going to quickly take a look at the 2-hour time frame and take a look at some features here. Here again, we see the MACD indicator moving further apart. These two lines are further apart. That means that there is no hint that this wave is going to end anytime soon. So be prepared again to come down and retest this area of support at $22.15. We have seen again here area of support or even roughly around here on October 23rd. We can rely on this area of supply and demand to see if we are able to come back up. And of course, the volume here needs to be at least twice the size of what we're accumulating right now, which is 296, in hopes to catch ourselves as a good safety net in this area of support. If we're taking a look again at areas of support, here is the $22.15. Again, if we do break this because the trend of our MACD indicator is growing immensely, we may see price for Ethereum Classic to drop down even further to $21 to the $20 at if this node right here on October 21st. So let me know what you guys think down below. Like and subscribe to the channel as well, but I'll see you next time.